Hello everyone, in this video, I'd like to draw your attention to two cacti, Gymnocalicium friderichii and Gymnocalicium michanovichii, which joined my indoor plant collection in the winter of 2024. I'm thrilled to share my love for indoor plant collecting with you today. For the past 9 years, I've been deeply engaged in this rewarding hobby, and it's been an incredible journey. My plant collection is organized into 3 main groups. Among them, I have a special collection of succulents that bask in the sunlight near my south-facing window. Recently, I've expanded my collection to include cacti, drawn to their unique crested and variegated varieties. When I stumbled upon a seller in Bulgaria offering a diverse selection of variegated astrophytum and Gymnocalicium, I couldn't resist making a purchase. The package took 2 days to arrive, and despite being insulated with styrofoam, the cacti still felt cold upon arrival, likely experiencing some degree of cold stress. Moreover, they have very few roots, which means propagating them will be challenging, especially without grow lights during the winter season. However, I'm committed to nurturing them back to health. Let's see which cacti have arrived in this shipment. I chose different colors, 1 specimen each, to plant them together in one pot as a variegated garden. Each has a commercial name or seedling number. As a plant collector, I keep all the names of my plants, which is important for further collection replenishment, exchange, and sale of individual specimens. Gymnocalicium friderichii, a species native to Argentina, Bolivia, and Paraguay, has a captivating history deeply intertwined with the diverse ecosystems of the South American deserts. During the early 20th century, German botanist Friedrich Federlein stumbled upon an extraordinary cactus species while exploring the arid landscapes of South America. Fascinated by its unique traits, Federlein meticulously documented and collected specimens of this newfound species, later named Gymnocalicium friderichii in his honor. Similarly, Gymnocalicium michanovichii, discovered in the rugged terrains of Argentina and Paraguay, was named as a tribute to Serbian botanist Milos Mihanovic, who extensively documented and gathered specimens of this species during his expeditions in the same era. I already really like all of them, even though they are still very small. It's hard for me to pick out the most beautiful cactus from this shipment. And which one caught your eye? Hopefully not this one. Unfortunately, I can say in advance that 2 months after planting, I lost it. It didn't survive. Enthusiasts and collectors are drawn to Gymnocalicium michanovichii for its unique beauty and resilience, making it a sought-after addition to botanical gardens and collections worldwide. These cacti serve as reminders of the wonders of nature and the dedication of botanical explorers in preserving biodiversity. I opted for a unique cactus substrate blend consisting of zeolite and lava pumice, known for its low nutrient content. To complement this, I purchased Osmocote cactus fertilizer, which releases nutrients slowly. Just 10 granules per plant should sustain them for their first year post-planting. Initially, I lay out all the cacti on the tray surface to determine their arrangement. I also attach temporary labels with their names for identification. Next, I gently spoon substrate around each cactus. Despite their completely dry roots, I refrain from watering them for the first week. I'm cautious, because I fear that watering them too soon might lead to rot, especially considering the stress of their recent relocation and transplantation during winter. So, my cacti are planted and placed to root by the southern window during winter. As you can see, there's no sunlight in winter, nor any additional lighting. Admittedly, this isn't the ideal setup, and it's more of an extreme experiment than a model to follow. But now that spring has arrived, I want to share my results. Here are the outcomes of my winter cactus planting. One of the Gymnocalicium friderichii cacti is blooming for the first time, while the others are just starting to round up. One in the center has lost its green coloration, indicating it may not have taken root, but this is all part of the process. It's crucial to learn from mistakes and continue experimenting. Perhaps I'll be more cautious when ordering plants in winter. I'm confident that with time, my cactus garden will evolve into a true paradise, thanks to these rare cacti from Bulgaria. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and explore numerous videos showcasing my personal experiences with an extensive collection of exotic plants. May your plants thrive and bring joy and beauty to your homes.